In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlink and remove Trello from Pipedrive CRM, step by step. If you previously connected Trello to Pipedrive and no longer need the integration, it's important to properly uninstall it from both platforms to avoid syncing issues or unnecessary access permissions. I'll walk you through the entire process inside Pipedrive first, and then we'll head over to Trello to fully disable the power-up there as well. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple CRM and software guides. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Pipedrive account using your web browser. Once you're inside your dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on your profile picture, and from the drop-down menu, select Tools and Integrations. This section is where Pipedrive manages all connected apps, marketplace apps, and third-party integrations linked to your account. After you click on Tools and Integrations, you'll be taken to a page that shows the marketplace and a list of installed apps. Here, you want to locate the Trello integration. You can either scroll through the installed apps list or use the search bar to quickly find Trello if you have many integrations connected. Once you find Trello in the list, click on it to open the integration details. You should see information about the app along with management options. Look for the red Uninstall button. This is the option that removes the integration from your Pipedrive account. Click on the Uninstall button. Pipedrive will usually ask you to confirm your action to make sure you really want to remove the integration. Confirm the uninstall when prompted. After confirmation, Pipedrive will disconnect Trello from your CRM. At this point, the integration is no longer active inside Pipedrive. However, we're not completely done yet. Even though you've removed Trello from Pipedrive, it's also important to disable the Pipedrive Power-Up inside Trello itself. This ensures there are no remaining active connections on the Trello side. Now open a new tab and log into your Trello account. Once you're inside Trello, navigate to the board where the Pipedrive integration was being used. On that board, look for the Power-Ups option. You'll usually find this in the top menu area of the board interface. Click on Power-Ups to open the Power-Ups directory for that specific board. You'll see a list of enabled Power-Ups. Look for the Pipedrive Power-Up in the list of active integrations. When you find Pipedrive, click on it to open its settings. You should see an option to disable or remove the Power-Up. Click on Disable or Remove and confirm your choice if Trello asks for confirmation. This will completely disconnect Pipedrive from that Trello board. If you've used the Pipedrive Power-Up on multiple boards, make sure to repeat this process for each board where it's enabled. Power-Ups in Trello are board-specific, so removing it from one board does not automatically remove it from others. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked and removed Trello from Pipedrive CRM and disabled the Pipedrive Power-Up inside Trello. This ensures that no data continues syncing between the two platforms and that your account permissions stay clean and secure. As a final tip, if you regularly connect third-party tools to your CRM, it's a good idea to periodically review your installed integrations inside Pipedrive under Tools and Integrations. Removing apps you no longer use helps keep your workspace organized and improve security. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials on Pipedrive, Trello, and other business software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.